So we got the Geico off and the screws out, and you can see it did rot on the edge, and it does seem to be contained to this board now. I thought I could just like strip the Geico off. It comes off, but it's not as easy as just stripping it off. It really does stick. It embeds right into the wood. So that's good that it holds that good, but it's bad if you need to take it off. But in this case, I'd rather have it hold. So I think what happened was we got compromised along the edge here, which I do remember. Water got in there, and then it started to rot, and it just is not good. So I need to pull this out and get a new one in there. And the other problem is I think it's planed off, so I got to get this out, and then I'm going to have to make a piece, which will be, I may have to cut it because I don't have my planer here, so I may have to do some hand cutting. That'll be interesting. Okay, so time to I see some nails, so I need to get this out, pull the nails out, and then make my piece.